In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Amazon customer service. Now, we all know that sometimes you just need to reach out directly to get your concerns addressed, and while Amazon offers several options for assistance, getting to email support can sometimes feel like a bit of a treasure hunt. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way so that you can connect with Amazon's customer service team smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Amazon account. This might sound obvious, but being logged into your account is crucial because it helps Amazon pull up all the necessary details about your past orders and account settings. Once you've logged in, you'll want to direct yourself to the customer service page. You can typically find this section at the bottom of Amazon's homepage, but if you're having trouble, another place to check is under Accounts and Lists at the top of the page. Now that you're on the customer service page, your next task is to select the order or issue you need assistance with. Amazon provides a list of your recent orders, and from here, you can easily choose the specific order or item that you're having trouble with. If your issue isn't directly tied to a recent purchase, you can also select from a variety of issue types, such as inquiries about your Prime membership, digital services, or payment-related issues. This step is essential because it helps Amazon narrow down the support options best suited for your particular problem. As you proceed, Amazon will walk you through a series of troubleshooting steps. These are designed to help you resolve your issue based on the most common problems other customers have faced. While it might be tempting to skip through these, sometimes they provide quick and effective solutions that can save you the hassle of contacting support directly. Once you've gone through the troubleshooting and the issue is still unresolved, you'll need to locate the Contact Us section. Amazon will present various options for getting in touch with their support team. At this point, common choices you'll encounter include live chat and request a phone call. Although these are not quite emailing, using them can sometimes be the fastest way to communicate with a representative who can help you out almost immediately. While an explicit email option isn't always available, expressing the need for documented communication in live chat can sometimes lead to an email follow-up. And there you have it. Reaching out to Amazon customer service may seem complex, but by following these strategic steps, you can make the process as seamless as possible. Don't forget to check out the contact options that best suit your needs, whether it's through live chat or a phone call. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you today. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share this video if you found it useful.